So what's up everyone, this is Block 3D. So today I'm going to show you our MetaHuman 21 Plus walking animation pack. The best part, you can animate any MetaHuman. Bring your character to life with seamless motion and expressive details and fluid realism, whatever is for games or virtual productions. So guys, let's get started. So we are using Unreal Engine 5.0 right now, and this is our environment. And first step is you need to import MetaHuman in your project. I already imported two MetaHumans, one is Pia and one is Vinod. So the second step is copy the folder that you downloaded from Fab. So you can find this folder in additional files, and these are the 21 animations that we have right now. So simply copy that folder into your game content folder. So now we have all animations in our Unreal Engine. So now as you can see, we have all our 21 animations over here. So now we need a sequence player. So right click cinematics and we have level sequence. Let's call it test. So now we have one sequence over here. In sequence, we need to drag drop our MetaHuman. So this is our MetaHuman. So drag and drop. That's all. So let me set up a camera for you guys. Okay, so little bit zoom, and I think this position is good. So we need to change now the focus setting. Alright, that's great. Okay, so we need to attach this camera to our MetaHuman. Just drag drop this camera into sequencer and track, attach and BP. So now let's add some animations to our MetaHuman. First of all, we need to delete the MetaHuman control rig from our blueprint of MetaHuman, right? Click on track, animation, and then you can choose any animation that you want. Okay, so let's type the walk here. So our all animations are here now. Okay, so let's try the first one, catwalk. Here we go. So as you can see, our animations work really good on our MetaHumans. So this is how you can animate your MetaHuman and make good qualities of scenarios with our 21 walking animation pack. Okay, so let's try the another animation now. So delete the catwalk animation from our scenario and add some new animation on body track animation, and let's try this one, drunk walk. As you can see, our character is drunk now. So this is how you can replace the animations, and we also provide some multiple variants of some animations. So as you can see, there are two type of animations, drunk walk and drunk walk 2. Let's try drunk walk 2. So this is the drunk walk 2. As you can see, now our animation is changed. So this is how you can change your animations in your sequence player. Okay, so let's talk about the continuity. How you can extend your animations. Okay, so let's take the simple walking animation. Okay, so it's worked good. So let me show you guys how you can extend your animations in Unreal Engine. You just need to copy this walk 1 animation by pressing Alt, and then you just need to align these animation like this, and then right click and go to match with these bones in previous clip, and then click on root. That's all. So our animation is extended now. So this is how you can animate your MetaHuman in Unreal Engine 5 with the help of our MetaHuman 21 animation pack. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.